I was recently asked which pens I thought were my favorite or were worth, I think, investing in. The first one that I think is a good one to start off is the Uniball Signal DX 0.28, the Jelly Roll 06 from Sakura, the Pilot G2 0.05, the Jetstream from Uni 0.38 is a must-have, I think, in my opinion. Every time I write using this pen, my handwriting looks awesome, I think. Another one of my favorites is the Pilot Energel Cleaner, and I might be mispronouncing the name of this pen, but the 0.4 and 0.3 are two tips that I absolutely love. The next one is a Uniball 0.38, and the tip of this pen is absolutely beautiful, and the ink is dark and bold, and the character of the pen is just one of my favorites. Next one is the Pilot Juice Up 04. Now this Pilot Juice Up 04 makes my handwriting, it's great for note taking, so if you are needing a pen that will help you write quickly and still beautiful, I highly recommend this pen. Now if you are going to invest in one item out of all of the items in this list, I would highly recommend that you choose this Tombow Fudenoseki, and I may be mispronouncing the name of this brush pen, but it is worthwhile investing in it. It is not too expensive. I have used this specific brush pen I'm using in this video. I've had for at least a year and a half or two, and it is still working so well. And not to mention that you can use it for calligraphy, everyday use, journal, planner. I mean, there's so many use to this specific brush pen. Another item that I want to give a shout out to is this Zebra Mildliner. This specific color is obviously gray, but I have the neutral colors that I use, that I carry with me wherever I go. You do not need a whole 24 pack unless you absolutely desire to have the pack. If you are on a budget, I would highly recommend that you only pick the small package to start off with, so that you can get the feeling of it. I keep coming back to this BIC big pen. I think it's the number 2 0.7 tip that I love to use. I use it for school, for work, I've used it for years and years and years, and I keep coming back. I am saving up for this one Tombow pencil that I will have to purchase when I'm ready, when my wallet is ready for it. Anyways, besides the pencil, this eraser from Tombow is absolutely magical. It will take and it will erase all sorts of, I don't know, it's just amazing. Oh my gosh, I am so sad that I didn't know about this eraser. As you can see, it is well loved. Now the last thing that I want to share with you is this correction tape by, again, Tombow. I'm just a Tombow fan today. It matches my kind of paper, and you can't really tell that I've messed up, so I love it. All of these items are budget friendly to a specific point. If I had to choose only 3 things to purchase or 4 things to purchase, I would say I would do the Fudenoseki Tombow, the pencil, the eraser, and one pen would have to be either the Energel Cleaner or the Jetstream. So I hope this was helpful and encourages you. Have a great day. Bye.